I'm going to show you how to overlay data onto a map inside of Excel, which is probably something you didn't know that you could actually do. But it's pretty easy. It's in the newer versions of Excel. I'm working with the latest one right here as of 2019. It's probably last year's, but I have cloud, so anyhow, what I have is a fictional company, and I have sales numbers for each state in the United States, right? And so this is going to be a really quick tutorial too, but this is a mildly advanced feature, something you can definitely incorporate into your presentations and sheets and things like that. And it's an easy way to make data maps. So you're going to go over to the Insert tab up here, and then you're going to go over to 3D Map, right? And we're going to click on this, and we're going to say Open 3D Maps, right? And we're just going to open this tour that I already have open, or you can just hit New Tour or whatever. Just don't really stress on that, right? Okay, and then once we do that, what it's doing is basically seeing sheets that we've had imported right into this, because this is sort of a separate instance of Excel. So you're going to say, hey, where did my Excel stuff go? Well, if you just minimize, then there you are. So don't worry about it. It's kind of like its own entity right here. And so what I'm going to do right here is I'm just going to go over to this field here that says location, and my location is my state field, right? If you go back into Excel, you can see my my state, that's my location, right? So in Bing, it's going to put in Alabama, and that's going to put a little spot right inside of Alabama. And then for my right now it's my height, but it's like how I want the data visualized, right? So I'm going to put sales in there, right? Or let me clear that out so I can show you. Yeah, it says add field. You're going to want to put the field. You're going to want to put the header for the column that has the data that you want to appear. I'm just going to get rid of this real quick, right? And so this right now, what we have going on, which is really cool in itself, but it's not exactly what I would maybe want to use, is just a sort of it's like how tall the bar is the states you have the most sales. But what you can do is over here in the data area is you can visualize it a bunch of different ways. Go click on this farthest one to the right, the one that says change the visualization to region. Okay, so you're going to click on that, and then boom, right? This is going to show you how like based off of heat, right, where your most of your sales are, right? So we have Texas has 7,000, Maine almost has 7,000, and then Vermont only has 151, right? So this is something that you can actually put a data map in there for. It's definitely really cool, and you can go down here and layer options right here, and you can like change the like opacity, a bunch of other things regarding the color, right? And go in here and change, like, okay, so if it's the most red, that means that's the most sales, or I'll make it the most green. So the greener it is, the more sales there are there, right? So anyhow, that is how you import your data into a data map inside of Microsoft Excel. I hope this has been helpful. Thank you for watching. I will have more videos on this.